Here, your host of Country Intelligent. We're doing this light. This is the one we took down. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new light here. Same, you get a bulb, tungsten bulb, goes right inside there. Okay, so that's the old light, and this is the new light. We are gonna go ahead and put this one in. So let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. So, okay, so this is it right here. This is the light. As you can see, this is not a tungsten bulb light. This is an LED light, as it says on the box. You know, right there, All Pro LED. Okay, you can get this light here at Lowe's. It's pretty good. It's Eaton's a pretty good brand for lighting. Anyway, this is our power kit here. That's where we're gonna be putting everything together, hooking it up. Alright, it's a smaller design. As you can see, it's smaller. It's a little bit more sturdy, I feel like. This is a kind of plastic. That one's a little bit harder plastic, or more glassy. So, and then this is our photo controller here. Okay, and this is a much smaller photo controller. Everything's pretty much done inside the head here. Here's our label. 37 watts, 120 volts, 0.4 amps. That's how much it takes to run this. So this is a much more energy efficient light. It'll really help you out in the long run whenever you're going to pay your electric bill on this light. This is a pretty good light. It's real sturdy. So we're gonna go ahead and go mount it so we can do our electrical. But before we do that, the first thing we need to do is pull this off here. Okay, so that way we can, or not necessarily pull it off, but we just need to go ahead and pop this circle out. Okay, pop that out so we can do our electrical, put our electrical connection in through there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get something to pop that out with. Okay, so what you're gonna want to use is like a small screwdriver or something so that you can get inside here, right? Like that, right? Kind of just wiggle it in there. And kind of get in there, you know. And what you're ultimately trying to do here is you're trying to pull this, pry it out, and then use a pair of pliers to just kind of break it off. Okay, so let's go get ahead and get it pried out so I can show you how to use the pliers to get it off. Okay, as you can see, what I've done is just kind of pried the end, pushed them into the hole there. And what we're going to want to do is take the pliers, stick them down inside there like that, you know. Get some needle nose pliers, that'd be really good for that. I'm going to have to find some needle nose. It's not going to work with these ones. Oh, I might be able to get something going here. But, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get this pried out real quick and show you what's going on there. Alright, so what we're doing here is just taking it, getting it in there, and wiggling it back and forth. Just like that. It's going to weaken that metal and it's going to pop right out. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Now once you've wiggled it enough, you're able to, you know, kind of get the pliers and get the pliers and twist it, grab, and kind of twist and pop it out of there. And you're gonna end up with something like this right here. You know, that's just a little silver coin, and toss that. Okay, so there's where we're gonna put insert our connection. It's gonna be good stuff, and I'm gonna show you how to mount it.